How do you make a cup of tea? This is how you make a cup of tea the modern way, with a kettle. An important note to make about boiling the kettle is simply that you have to let it completely boil. If the water doesn't hit 100 degrees, then the tea leaves won't properly diffuse into the water and you're not going to get a properly brewed cup of tea. Okay, so the kettle's boiled. Time to get your mug. Carefully pour the boiling water inside the mug. Now you have some options. You can stir the tea bag inside the mug. You can almost instantaneously take it out if you're an absolute nutter. This part of the tea making process is maybe the most tricky. This is essentially the making or the breaking of your cup of tea. If it's too weak, no. If it's too strong, it's not the best. So you really need to find the ideal balance of strength. And to do that, it's just a matter of how long you leave the tea bag in for, or maybe how violently you stir it in the mug. It's really up to you what you want to do. Do you want to give it a quick stir? Just leave it for a few minutes. Don't leave it at all, but we've been through this, that's for the crazies. Once you've added the milk, your tea is done. And unless you want to sweeten it, it's ready to drink.
Ah, what a day. Ah, that's good. Ah, that's a good cup of tea. Oh, golly gosh, I do enjoy a good old cup of tea.